Taking in view of the present development on Indo-Naga peace talks, Chief Minister N. Biren instructed Manipur State Police to remain alert, according to sources. It is worth mentioning that Naga interlocutor R. N. Ravi had given assurance on bringing an end to the long-pending issue within this month. A high-level meeting attended by state ruling ministers and MLAs is underway at the Chief Minister's Secretariat. The meeting will discuss on the controversial MPSE result of 2016 batch. The 4th Maitai Chanu 2019 beauty pageant will be held this evening at the Manipur Trade and Expo Center, Lamboi Khongnangkhong, Imphal. The event is organized by Lainingthau Sanamahi Sanapung LSSP. The glittering event will be attended by Speaker of Manipur Assembly Y. Khemchand, Member of Parliament R.K. Ranjan and other distinguished personalities. Popular bakery chain in the state, Likla Bakery, a unit of Thangjum Agro Industries, opened a new outlet at Nambol Bazaar this morning. The inaugural function was attended by Managing Director of Thangjum Agro Industries, Thangjum Joy Kumar Singh, and brand ambassador of Likla Bakery and also a popular Manipuri film actor Bala Hizam as main guest. Union Sports Minister Kiren Rijiju stated that the emergence of a sporting culture in the northeastern states is a must if the youths are to be stopped from straying down a dark path. Rijiju also warned that if the energy of the youths of the region is not utilized, they will become a burden.